Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, please click on like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Today I'm going to be working on a Ram 1500, say 2024. So today I'm going to show you how to make a wireless charging system out of your Bighorn or your Ram 1500 if it doesn't already have the wireless charger built into it. Now this is a like Fataguri or something I bought off of Amazon. Pretty cheap, but it was the flattest one I could find. What it is, take a little two-way tape, put it on the back of that, stick it to the back of the console. Now if you had a Laramie or one of these before that has the built-in charger, this piece right here is a charging unit. You drop your phone in, it charges. The problem with this is getting USB power. Now mine has 120 volt plug, so I just put a block in here, put a USB cable into it. What I'm going to eventually do is find a place to put this little guy here. I'll find a way to get the console out. I'll pop this in somewhere and plug this in down lower instead of the 120 volts. That way I don't have my wire and stuff exposed. I don't really put a lot in the bottom of my tray, so technically it wouldn't bother me any. But if you put a lot of stuff down in your bottom tray, it's going to get in the way. You could also do two of these if you want to put one on both sides for two phones. You could charge both phones at the same time. Now, someone's going to ask, why not just plug it in up here where the USB ports are? Now, the way the Dodge Ram radio reads, now this is a 2024. It may be different on different models, different makes, different screens. But on mine, when I plug this in, it tries to read it as a device. It's trying to read it like a camera or something else. It won't just apply power to this. So I'd have to get some sort of USB power supply, like a charging block that would just run power to this. The one underneath the console here does that, but then you've got the wire hanging out, drooping around. There's no way to really fish the wire around where it doesn't get in the way. Now by putting this up here, again, it's two-way tape to the back so it doesn't fall off. I don't have it on there permanent. I didn't use anything permanent. So I can pull it off if I want to change my mind in the future. And when I do this wiring here, when I find a place to plug in the USB, I'll redo it. But in the meantime, when the key is on, it sends 120 volts to your plug down there. And now you can just take your phone, drop it in, and it starts charging. Fast, easy way to add a wireless charger to your vehicle for a minimum amount of money. Thanks for watching. Please click on like and subscribe.